Welcome to Junior Journeys Kids channel.
Welcome back, kiddos. Today you learn numbers. Are you ready? So let's go.
1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10
Let's play together. Count the objects and circle the correct number.
1 2 3 4 5
These objects are 5, so the answer is 5.
One, 2 3 4 The answer is 4. These are 4 books.
Let's tell me, kiddos, how many dogs are there?
1 2 3 There are 3 dogs.
Good job. Now tell me how many pizza slices.
Okay, sir. 1 2 3 4 5 6 There are 6 pizza slices.
Let's play next quiz. Write the missing numbers, point and say.
1
What's the second number?
2 3
What's the next number?
Next number is 4 5
What's the next number?
Next number is 6 7
What's the next number?
Next number is 8 9
Now read all numbers together.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10.
Thanks for watching full video. See you in next informative video. Bye-bye.